Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to change the step goal on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to grab your connected phone, whether it's your iPhone or your Android phone. Then from here, you want to launch the Health app. Once you've launched Huawei Health, you want to ensure that you're in the tab labeled Health. And then from here, you want to tap on Steps. Under Steps, you should see this section labeled Goal Progress. Tap on Edit. And then from here, you have this slider that you can use to adjust your step goal. So currently, it's set to 9,000 steps. But if I want to increase it, I can just drag this all the way to the top to increase my step goal. If I want to reduce it, again, I can just slide it all the way down and reduce it as well. So it's up to you to adjust the step goal to your liking. And then once you've finished your adjustment, just tap on Save and the changes will be applied. So now you've successfully changed the step goal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.